in the game, I can't seem to escape. These niggas out here always hating cause they can't relate to a real G on this hustle, tryna stack that bread. I got my head on 360 cause these niggas want me dead, but I steady hit the block, keep my Glock on hand, so if a nigga test my nuts, he gon' know where I stand. It was never in my plans to be running these streets. Got me spilling out my heart on this badass beat. I'm smoking sweets on the daily just to give me some peace. Man, I'm caught up in this shit till the day I'm deceased, because I'm caught up in the game, and I ain't gonna change for you, cause I'm caught up in the game, and I ain't gonna change. So many times I tried to get out of this everyday hustle, but niggas still out here making me have to flex my muscle. Got nothing to lose, at least that's how it seems. I keep seeing my own demise up in my dreams. My girl call me late at night and she say I sound stressed. I tell her I wish she was here so I could get me some rest, but there's no rest for the weary and I'm tired as fuck, trying to make it on top, but I'm running out of luck. Hungry than a motherfucker, but I got one buck. It's time to hit the block again, man, I guess I'm stuck. I'm just caught up in the game, and I ain't gonna change for you, cause I'm caught up in the game, and I ain't gonna change. Some of my boys locked up, some of my niggas is dead. Sometimes I can't even think with so much shit in my head. The last thing grandmama said just before she passed away was for me to make her proud. So I've been trying every day to stay the hell out this trouble that always seem to come. And when you thinking that you finished, you realize that you ain't done. Man, I seen these niggas come and go. Fools hustled all their lives and still these busters ain't got nothing to show. I'm just waiting for that moment when my world faced the black, because some punk couldn't fight and he pulled out a strap. I'm so caught up in the game, and I ain't gonna change for you, cause I'm caught up in the game, and I ain't gonna change.